Alright, my friends. John Doc, you got the Booster Rooster. You had the Salty Chicken, or one of them two you still have. I'll get a better view once I get that out the way. That blanket off the top of it. But you see what I'm pulling out. Give it a week by, let's say, Sunday. Picking it up Friday with the same LT1 with a Jasper transmission. All of it's out of a cop car and was hitting the back. It's not a bad car. Got a bunch of shit inside, but that shit's gonna be coming out of there. Alright. Don't got a name yet. Figure that out. Grab my channel.